Picture Window Installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offers a stunning way to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of custom window designs available, homeowners can choose from an array of window styles that perfectly match their personal taste and the architectural design of their residence. Whether you're looking for residential window services or commercial window solutions, our team in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is equipped to handle all your window needs, especially when it comes to Picture Windows Fayetteville Residents Trust. Energy-efficient windows in Fayetteville are a top choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows provide excellent insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Our window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, ensure that your new windows are installed with precision, maximizing their energy-saving potential. We also offer specialized solutions for Picture Windows Fayetteville homeowners rely on for performance and design. Custom window designs in Fayetteville, Arkansas, allow for a personalized touch that reflects your unique style. From window frame materials to window glass options, every aspect can be tailored to your preferences. Our window consultation services in Fayetteville help you make informed decisions about the best window customization options for your home or business, including expert guidance on selecting Picture Windows Fayetteville customers love for their expansive views. Residential window services in Fayetteville are designed to cater to the specific needs of homeowners. Whether you need window installation services or are interested in window upgrades, our team provides comprehensive solutions. We offer window maintenance and window sealing services to ensure your windows remain in top condition year-round, especially high-visibility features like Picture Windows Fayetteville homes showcase proudly. Commercial window solutions in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are essential for businesses looking to enhance their building's appearance and efficiency. Our double-pane windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offer superior noise reduction and UV protection, making them an ideal choice for commercial properties. We provide window measurement and window fitting services to ensure a perfect fit for every window, including large-scale Picture Windows Fayetteville business owners often request. Window installation services in Fayetteville are crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team specializes in addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty seals. With our expertise, your windows will be restored to their original condition, providing optimal functionality and security. This includes expert installations of Picture Windows Fayetteville homeowners frequently choose for maximum natural light. Double-pane windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are a popular choice for their excellent insulation properties. These windows help reduce energy consumption and provide a quieter indoor environment. Our window insulation services in Fayetteville ensure that your double-pane windows are installed correctly for maximum efficiency, and we also offer installation of Picture Windows Fayetteville families used to brighten their interiors. Window glass options in Fayetteville offer a range of choices to suit different needs and preferences. From clear glass to tinted and frosted options, we provide solutions that enhance privacy, security, and aesthetics. Our window durability services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, ensure that your chosen glass options withstand the test of time, including premium glass for Picture Windows Fayetteville residents often prefer for lasting beauty. Window frame materials in Fayetteville, Arkansas, play a significant role in the overall performance and appearance of your windows. We offer a variety of materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each with its own benefits. Our window aesthetics services in Fayetteville help you select the perfect frame material to complement your home's design, particularly for Picture Windows Fayetteville designers recommend for visual appeal. For top-notch Picture window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, look no further. Our expert team specializes in window replacement and energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home or business benefits from the latest in window technology. With custom window designs tailored to your specific needs, we provide both residential window services and commercial window solutions in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Our window installation services in Fayetteville are second to none, offering quick and efficient solutions to any window issues you may encounter, especially when installing Picture Windows Fayetteville property owners admire. Double-pane windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are a popular choice for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Our window glass options in Fayetteville are extensive, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your property. We offer a variety of window frame materials in Fayetteville, Arkansas, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Regular window maintenance in Fayetteville is crucial for longevity, and our team is here to help with window sealing and window insulation services for every window type, including picture windows Fayetteville locals frequently request. Upgrade your windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, with our comprehensive window consultation services. We provide accurate window measurement and precise window fitting in Fayetteville to ensure a perfect installation every time. Explore our wide range of window styles in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and enjoy the benefits of window customization to match your unique taste. Our windows are designed for durability, aesthetics, and functionality, providing security and UV protection in Fayetteville. This includes top-rated picture windows Fayetteville homeowners choose for stylish upgrades. For those in Fayetteville, Arkansas, seeking window noise reduction and UV protection, our solutions are designed to meet your needs. Our window upgrades in Fayetteville, Arkansas, enhance both the look and performance of your windows. Trust our window consultation in Fayetteville to guide you through the process, from selection to installation. With a focus on window durability and aesthetics, our services in Fayetteville ensure your windows not only look great but also perform exceptionally well. Especially picture windows Fayetteville clients love for both style and comfort. Window functionality in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a priority for us, and we offer a range of services to enhance it. From window security to window noise reduction, our solutions are tailored to your specific requirements. Our window UV protection in Fayetteville ensures your interiors are shielded from harmful rays. Choose our window customization services in Fayetteville to create the perfect windows for your home or business. With our expertise in window durability and aesthetics, your property will benefit from the best window solutions available in Fayetteville, Arkansas, including superior quality picture windows Fayetteville residents depend on.